Good morning, YouTube. It is day 17 and we are in Clarendon and we are having fun waking up early in the morning. Y'all, look at this, y'all. Look at this. I say if we wake up at morning time, I say if we wake up peaceful and quiet, all you hear is nature. Yes, this is it. No beep beep, no honk honk. Yes, in today's vlog we will be making stew peas. So those who have been requesting for me to go in at the kitchen, we're in at the kitchen today. So we're gonna head to the grocery store to get the ingredients for all the ingredients for stew peas. So hopefully you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Today will be interesting, so let's go, y'all.
Jingle bells swinging, jingle bells swing, snowing and blowing up bushes of wine. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bells, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chiming, jingle bell time, dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, what a bright time, it's the right time.
The Maypen town. Shout out to everybody who from Maypen. If you're in a Maypen, put a back in the comment section. Can you imagine Grand Market when this night up?
Yeah.
This is gonna be nice. Okay. So you're a driver now? You could have run taxi. Buy a pro box.
This is the outside of the market. You see? Persons selling. So the market is beyond this house. So you have the vendors
and they come out early. Mr. Chin has work. They're gonna open a new supermarket here in Maypen.
Yeah.
So it's
on
gonna
7th Road.
on 7th Road.
Yeah.
So this is going to be true competition for the grocery stores here. Wow. Alright, y'all, so the grocery store wasn't open yet. The man said it opened at 8:30 and now it's 8:04. So we're gonna run go juicy beef to get some peanut porridge and a patty.
You want
Yeah. We can't go juicy beef and I get a patty. Yeah. And then we're going to come back to the grocery store to get the ingredients.
So that's JM Bank, just past NCB. That's the famous Captain's Bakery.
When did they open?
About 11. Came by Bulana Supermarket. Quartz Optical. This is Jenny's Pharmacy. They open on Sunday. That's also another wholesale. That's the Ruby's gas station. This is Singer. Jade and I went here. So I went on Friday. So over there, so you have Mr. Chin, the Cambios and all of that. Here says a farm store.
A farm store?
Yeah, where you get your chick and all of that. So this is the famous Juicy. They're doing an expansion like a business center.
It's the entrance. Them have a drive-through?
Yeah.
You want to do the drive-through? Oh gosh, look on the line to the drive-through.
Well, this is their new Get Tree Business Center. So if you want to rent a space.
So Guinea Tree is the name of the town?
No, down this section is Guinea Tree. Oh, that's an emergency point. It's a far down where the park.
Okay, we made it to Juicy Beef. We were going to go to the drive-through, but the drive-through line's so long. We're gonna just walk in and get a nice peanut porridge. Oh, fingers crossed I'm have peanut porridge. It's a while I haven't had peanut porridge. I don't know, so my neighbor shrink us on the peanut porridge.
But then if you go and get pasta, we really don't need it.
That's what I'm saying. So if they don't cook. So we don't need the Oh. I wonder if this is the big one Janice was telling me about. Because it's up upstairs and downstairs. I got patties now. Interesting. And you see they have the difference.
Yeah, it's 2 cheese patty.
2 cheese and a beef.
At the
One meat.
What patty?
Cheese. 1 cheese. You don't want patty? Oh. Alright. Can you hold this for me?
Yeah.
So that's 2 cheese, 1 meat, and 3 patty.
Yeah. And one of the mixed porridge.
Any do sour. Any do sour.
Oh no, thank you.
2001.
Satisfying. Thank you.
You can make sandwich outside the party.
Yeah. We are 5:27 at 8:10.
They're big, but you just warm them up in the oven.
Thank you. Look at the ship in the sea. The ship in the fish tank.
Titanic.
The Titanic. We can still no. The only fast food place in Jamaica is Patty Place. Like the fast food. Because look how long we've been at Wendy's, so I don't know. Alright, we're gonna try phase mixed American and peanut porridge.
Which one you think?
Mixed.
This is it.
Because these are
And the lady says it's a regular thing because it has its own name, which we never hear about that ever in my life. So if you guys ever hear about that, please leave it in the comment section. May I learn something new today. See, you can see the corn in there. I want to taste it too. How much toilet is it?
See?
Okay, yeah.
you're okay.
Alright guys, we're gonna try.
Oh, there's a fly. Sugar fly.
I want to get a piece of the corn.
It tastes good. It tastes good.
So
Look at me judging. It
It's
tastes
that
good.
extra little.
Yeah.
But I still like the peanut butter.
Yeah. My neighbor should cut on the peanut porridge. Their customer service is nice in this location. Because even the lady who on the food, she was like, morning. Usually them not tell morning.
She wants to.
What kind you want? Orange or fruit punch?
Fruit punch? Nice. Come up.
That's where the head office is. But you know they open branches overseas, right?
We did go. We did go the one in Orlando, but you know what tastes like?
The Jamaican.
And then them have bacon in a one. Them have pear in
That's
a
all
one.
like it full of.
I like my patty with just patty. No fluff.
Let me see him look up on me, then he look down.
We just had the
You don't really want me patty then.
No, I'm going to be hot.
You belly no much for last
The
night.
same gluttony we were still watching now.
Or diet start Monday. Diet start Monday.
No, Wednesday when I read
Just the patty tastes so much better than tastes. I just don't understand. It tastes better than tastes.
Tasty patty have a different kick to it. You know which patty I don't like? Me I wonder, I must be because how they make it up at Devon House, when me eat it, I don't like mother's patty. It always full of oil.
Yeah.
But for some reason, the one at Devon House, they make it different.
One day I'm gonna try tasties and juicy beef side by side. So maybe I'm here for it. Alright, y'all, we eat our belly full. Time for go grocery shopping now to go find our ingredients for the stew peas. I see built up at the gate.
That me, I wonder if they not open.
It's at 8:30.
See, supermarket open and security not open the gate.
Scoot up a little so I can get it.
The driver, the top building, but we don't need park around the open.
Gate's still closed. So the gate's not open, but the door, the thing, the grill thing, the sliding thing on the door.
The supermarket is open, but not to the public.
So it's not that they open at 8:30, it's that the staff get to work at 8:30. And then whenever staff set up, that's when they open. Okay. Guys, we sit down inside now 15 minutes because it's 8:45 now. They open the gate, enter one car. So I'm gonna ask the security guard what time they open. Good morning.
Good morning.
What time are you guys opening?
9 o'clock.
So when we came earlier, he had said 8:30. Did the time change or something?
Alright, we find out from the manager while she stepped in and they said 9 o'clock. Next week, Sunday, will start 8:30.
Morning.
So good morning. Also, so it's when the manager came here today. They told you guys it's good opening
So
hours.
we did think it was 8:30 just the same. So when we confirmed, they said 9 o'clock.
Okay, all right, thank you. The shoppers fair in Maypen. Yeah, it's them kind of idiot things there. I can't understand why people. I can't understand because. So, she said they thought they were going to open at 8:30, but when the manager came to work this morning, she told them that they're going to open at 9 instead.
You know,
Even though the sign on the gate said 8:30.
you know, the manager can't get you in trouble.
So we're going to take our business elsewhere. Make we go to the other store. All right, y'all. So this place is Vlogmas.
So we're in Bargain Village now, where you have the KFC and the Flow office and the supermarket, the other supermarket.
So we're going to come to this supermarket because they seem to be open.
They're open.
They seem to be open. The thing is, it's not them not being open, because things happen. And she could have come in and she said, oh, something happened, need fixing, so they have to push the time by 9. But why it take us sitting there 15 minutes, walking up to ask them to find out so they're not going to open till 9? Like, it's a common courtesy of letting your customers know, because we depend on a time schedule too. It's like, that's why I noticing with Jamaica, with customer service, they act like say you beg them for pay them money. You are give them your money, and it's like you have to beg them for get a little bit of good customer service. Alright, oh, what's your dog right to slide? I didn't even see him. Careful, man, he bites you. Alright, so now we're at Value Mart. Yeah, quiet and spacious. So we're picking up the peas. The peas is for 460. Oh, it's different prices. Yeah, them sell the empty can. I used to take me to cashier and they refill it for you. Interesting. No, not for free. I would never, because I wouldn't trust that it's the right one. Okay, for the peas. Alright, we got turkey neck.
This is turkey neck.
But there's no smoke. So we have to go do something to it. Alright, we're going to get June plum juice to go with dinner. June plum and ginger to go with dinner. Alright guys, we just left the grocery store. The guy was saying that I can't record in there, so I never put the rest of the stuff on camera. But we didn't really get much stuff. Just the turkey neck, the beef, the peas, and what else would you get? The coconut milk, and I think everything else we have. But yeah, so we're gonna head back home and start to cook. Well, later, because it's 9:30 now. We're not gonna cook until later. But we're gonna soak some stuff, right? We're gonna soak the peas, clean the turkey neck, soak the peas, and clean the beef. So yeah. Oh, and we need pepper, so we're pulling up to the market to ask them if they have pepper. How much? One single pepper, or a bag pepper?
Absolutely.
But enough pepper gone on for Christmas.
Expensive.
Them things are little and cute. No pepper. All my fruits.
Don't seem that way, my dear.
And 19.
Pepper? Anybody with pepper? Pepper? You have pepper? You're not even a peer man. You keep on under there?
Alright, that's it.
You have pepper? Hot pepper? How you sell it?
That's a lot. How much is it?
$1,500. How much you want?
Since the hurricane, pepper scarce, so nobody else have pepper, and the one person that have pepper selling it for like ridiculous. Because one pepper used to be for $20, and now she said
$20. You can get a bag, a $100 bag.
you could have get a bag for $100. Now it's $1,500. One pepper
dozen.
used to go for $20. Now it's going for $150. So just imagine the scarceness of pepper. Make a buy me like a pepper seed them and plant them in a little garden and come down here and sell. This is nice. It's off the mountains.
Guys, so this is what we got from the store, and then some of the stuff we had in the fridge. So we have our scallion, our thyme, we'll have our red peas, we got salted beef, and then we got some turkey neck, we'll have green pepper, and then we'll have the cucumber and the lettuce, because you know we make the salad, we never get the plantain. And then we have the coconut that's gonna go in the stewed peas. You already know, chiffon butter. And then we'll have June plum juice to wash everything down. And we'll have our jasmine rice, our garlic, pimento seed, salt, and black pepper. So, oh, and we'll have flour for the spinners, because you know we need spinners for turn up the stewed peas. All right, that's everything, guys. So first step is we're gonna start off by washing the peas. So we have our red kidney beans. We're using about half of the packet. And make sure you wash it and sieve it so you can get out all the stuff that don't need to go inside.
You're picking out, because you know that some of them are not good. So you're looking for any stones, anything like that. That one is not good.
Oh, okay. That's it?
Yes, so you're going to soak, apply water now to soak it.
Okay. For how long?
Soak it for like 2 hours, or it would be better if you soak it overnight.
Okay.
All right, guys. So 45 minutes passed, and we're cleaning the turkey neck now, and the peas soaking. So the peas still soaking, but you see, start look shrivel up. So it look like it would be ready. When you soak the peas, it tastes better. I know some people don't soak the peas, but we soak the peas in this kitchen here, and we're cleaning off the turkey neck.
Get rid of all of them.
You know what I leave it to tell them about the peas?
Okay, guys. So update. It's about 2 hours later, and the peas is fully soaked.
Or some people say, no, if you try to throw water, but it will look too much.
Some people will say we don't have to throw off the water, but we do it our way in Faye's kitchen.
Alright, so this is what we're going to set it on in, because we don't want to pressure it. We want to get the authentic Jamaican taste, alright? We just add some water to the just to cover it, just to cover the peas, enough water to cover the peas. And just set it down. And we'll have the gloves.
So these are garlics.
We're going to add it today. We're going to add these
Some pimento.
not much. And the next stay there. Time.
And we bring so for how long we to keep it there?
Until the peas tender.
Okay.
Because I'm not going to pressure it.
So we put the salt beef in the water. In the first one.
It's just enough to cover it. So you have the garlic and everything in there already.
Because it was already seasoned.
Yeah. So I'm going to let it pressure as well.
Okay.
Keep pressure for probably about 30 or 15 minutes, and then I throw off.
Okay. So then afterwards we put the turkey neck.
I give it up about 15 minutes, and then I add the water on the turkey neck.
Okay. Alright.
So both the meat and the peas.
Peas.
Are
Okay. Alright. Alright guys, so this is still the corned beef, the salt beef.
Yeah.
So we did throw off the water and add more water, and we had also add
Cold water to shrink the peas.
To shrink the peas. Okay, we had cold water to shrink the peas. So we're learning.
We actually test it to see how it's water. Jamaican, see? I'm gonna cook it.
Because if they cook it, would have break easily.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna add the turkey neck to this.
Okay.
Let both of them go.
So both of them added now. So if we were doing pig steak, we would have add
Yeah, you have to cook off the salt of the pig stew.
and then just add it to the. Okay. So then we're gonna pressure it down for about how many now?
30 more minutes.
30 more minutes.
Or until the meat 80% cook.
Okay. Okay.
So the 20% will finish up with the
Oh.
peas and the seasoning.
Yeah, everybody cook different. So if you guys do it differently, leave it in the comment section. If you guys are familiar with this process, leave it in the comment section too. But we're gonna cook it until 80% the meat cook, and then we're gonna add the peas to it. We're learning how to make stew peas. I'm excited to make the spinners.
Yeah,
I'm ready to roll the spinners. Yes, of course I want to do it. So I have a clean bowl, and this is the flour.
And we're using counter flour. Right?
Counter flour.
Based on the amount that you a bigger dish, you can use a bigger dish. So so depending on the amount, go more than that.
How many spinners on the one?
This can give you the amount that you
Okay.
want. Because you're not going to make them big enough.
Okay.
Alright. That should be enough. Oh, can put a little bit more in here. And then you add your salt. We'll call it in Jamaica pinch, because you don't want it to be salty.
A pinch of salt. Like
Yeah.
I pinch somebody. Pinch.
Alright, so you want to do the...
Yeah, I'll just spin it.
Alright.
Let me wash my hand. Guys, on second thought, because I have on these nails, I am not going to need the dumpling. You know, Mr. Lexa, cook, recipe book, go in the kitchen, because you and them don't look big Sunday morning, you let it in the bed, first you boil 2 bananas and film 2 fish. Say, oh, but you want sausage and bread. Big man that eat a bully beef and bread, pussy. And him said, drunk with the fingernail clip, chip, chip. Because if you have long nail, you can't cook. That's why you know the girl them don't cook when them have the nails.
So you don't cook?
Exactly. So Faye is going to do it because her nails are low, and she's going to add the water.
And you need to make the dough. We're going to set it aside after we finish because it's not ready yet. We're not ready to apply it to the I'm just going to put something over it.
Like a damp paper towel? That's what I usually do.
You want to pick it up? I'm picking it up. Alright, so this is your dough.
Okay.
So set it aside.
Alright, so we set the dough aside and cover it and make it set. Alright, so the peas looking like it is done. So we crush and it's soft. Okay. Alright, and there's still pressuring. Chef Faye. Follow us for more cooking with Faye. Alright, so now we're going to test the beef and the texture here.
So we'll pressure some more. This your skin part of the way.
Oh, you can tell say I want pressure some more.
You know, something.
Like it's not tearing apart?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Taste testing.
You want it softer than that? You want it softer?
No, what do you think? I mean, it can be a little bit more tender.
Alright.
Just a little bit more though. But the seasoning good, it's well seasoned. Alright.
So when you bring the meat, you notice not a lot of water is in here. So when you bring the meat over here, and the reason why I'm using this water to this is because it's not salt. The water is not salt.
But if it was salty, you would add
No, I would just add the meat and that's it.
Okay.
So I'm going to let it simmer some more, and then we're going to add our coconut milk.
Okay. At what point do we put on the rice? When we add the milk, the coconut milk?
Okay, we can put on the rice at any time. But then again, you don't want it to be cold.
Okay.
Yeah, and just let it steam.
Alright.
Alright, so bring that to a boil a little bit.
It's a catch its color. Yes. Alright. We're gonna add the coconut milk now.
And then you can stay there and cook down for next about until it's shrimp, and then we put in
The spinners?
the spinners.
Okay, it's about 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Now for the spinners.
You peel potato? You put potato in it?
That's the side. Oh, so you make it round first and then you spin it out.
Want it smaller than this?
Yeah, do it small.
Smaller?
It's 6 days, so you can put that red color in it.
It's a pigtail with a red color? Oh.
With kids.
You put coconut milk in it?
Yeah.
So you're not going to get that part? It's like skin.
Nice skin.
you want the rest one?
Eu não costumo. Eu não trouxe coisa, eu dance, eu cover dance.
Why you want to cook it? Because then with the rice, that's how it's hard. No, they still just need to cook down.
Yeah.
All right, the spinners are
We're
in.
adding the rest of the season.
Smell good. I wish the camera could have smelled it.
And pepper, wash. We're adding more.
Adding more garlic.
You just eat it. Look right on the camera here.
Sorry, it's the same. Yes.
Is it ready?
It smells good, yes.
It tastes good. And tell me it tastes.
It's hot. It tastes good. Yeah. So much, how much longer?
Until it
Thicker?
hold on to boil, yeah.
Okay.
Alright, we'll make a rice now.
So basically we've added all the ingredients that would add to it. Wait, hold on. Okay, it's simmered down. Yes, you see the thickness now. Ooh. Yes. Yeah, looks nice, yes. Should please them there. Nice, man, it look good. So we're just waiting for the rice and then we're going to eat. Ooh, yes, all done and ready. And we have the rice over here.
Yeah, well,
Yes, baby. Show us the rice. Big chef. Cooking with Faye. Faye's kitchen. And guys, this is the finished product. Look at us. Talk to us nice. Yes. Talk to us nice. We can have stew peas in Faye's kitchen. So this is stew peas with turkey neck and beef. Salted beef. Okay guys, moment of truth. Let's yeah, all the juice, yeah. The what would you get again? June plum juice? No, not ice. Enough rice this year?
I told her.
But I'm more concerned about the stew peas. Let's see. Long time I didn't eat stew peas. And it's a long time I've been craving stew peas. But everywhere I get stew peas from, they sell it with pigtail. Thank you.
You want salad? You want potato? Here.
Look up the one. What else? The other white pepper.
I don't know. Why you do it then?
You know, it's 2 pieces, Chantel?
Me eat peas a long time. Me eat peas of the beef a long time. It tastes good, yeah?
Yes. Truth, no?
It tastes good.
I don't make cook it, no?
Oh, chef, eh? Where chef I go?
So who cooked it? Me?
It tastes real good.
Let me tell you.
Like I'm eating at a restaurant.
Well, restaurant food.
No,
Well, open your
no,
restaurant.
some restaurant can't cook nice like this.
Open your restaurant
You
again.
still recording?
Because I'm not in that stall.
You make area in the background and talk about it. Taste.
You know, stall to just come together. You know, so? From Jada, say nice.
Cause you know she's your biggest critique. She'll be like, I could use little black pepper.
Like dumpling.
Me not eat the dumpling yet.
You dumpling.
You like them?
Guys, y'all been asking me.
She did good? Abri.
Y'all been asking me to get in the kitchen.
And the rice should be nice.
Here is a cooking video. Y'all been asking for a cooking video. Here is a cooking video. Day 17 Vlogmas cooking video. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and say big up Faye in the comment section. Big up Chef Faye. Guys, for tomorrow's Vlogmas, we are going to look at an open house here in Clarendon, in George Penn, Clarendon. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, y'all. Jamaica, Jamaica.